equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. These will be essential for safely opening your Lenovo Yoga 720 and performing internal maintenance. Start by powering off your device and unplugging it from any power source. Next, place the laptop on a soft, static-free surface to prevent any damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel. There are typically 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious, as there are clips that may require a bit of force to release. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. With the back cover removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Start by inspecting the cooling fan and heatsink for dust accumulation. Using the can of compressed air, carefully blow out any dust from the fan and vents. This is crucial for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. If you're unsure about handling this, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, check the RAM and storage drive. If you're looking to upgrade, gently release the clips holding the RAM in place and swap it out for a higher capacity module. For the storage drive, if it's a hard drive, consider upgrading to a solid-state drive for improved performance. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs upfront. After cleaning and checking the components, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully align the back cover and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this can damage the casing. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga 720 and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With our no calls, no travel service, we make it easy for you to get your device checked without leaving your home. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your laptop and enhance its performance, so make it a habit to check inside every few months. By following these steps, you can ensure your Lenovo Yoga 720 remains in top condition, ready to handle all your tasks efficiently. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.